Are you looking for an idea to use up your extra clay when it comes to ceramics? Here is one of my favorites. Make some spoons. These are so easy and they're a great way to use up all of that excess clay so you don't have to recondition it. So I started out with a slab of clay at a 1/4 inch thick. After that, I used these disposable wood spoons as a template to cut out the shape of each one. A little goes a long way, and I also use these wood spoons for my workshops that I teach because people can make their own spoons using them, and I never have to throw them away. They really come in handy. For this one, I cut out 2 of the spoons and then just go ahead and peel away the excess. And at this point, you want to put your clay back onto the little template here and dip your finger in some water and then smooth out all of the edges so it looks nice and polished. Even though we're just playing and experimenting, I always try my best to make everything look really nice because I never know if I'm going to give it as a gift or if I'm going to sell it at a boutique or just have it in my kitchen. So I go the extra mile to make sure it looks good. Okay, to add a little bit of flair, I'm using one of my Crafty Chica clean stamps that I normally use in paper crafting, but they work really, really good with ceramics also. And I am very carefully pressing it into the handle of the clay and using a little roller on top just to make sure I get a really good impression. Once that is done, I peeled it away and look, it came out perfect. I love it. It says inhale every moment, and it's a reminder to really savor the time that you have to drink your favorite hot beverage and not gulp it down and think about work, but to actually enjoy life, enjoy the moment. Now I have this little tool that I'm using to smooth out the spoon area so that I can actually pick up some sugar or maybe a little bit of cinnamon to put into my drink. Once you're happy with the design, it's time to let them dry. So you could leave them like this to dry flat, or you could use a structure like I did and rest your spoons on them so that the handles have different types of curves. You can also add other embellishments, clay embellishments, to the top of the spoon as well. Let it dry completely, put it in the kiln at cone 04, dip it in clear glaze, and then you're going to put all of your spoons back in the kiln at cone 06, and here's the end result. They're so pretty and lightweight, perfect to stir up a magical cup of tea, a cup of cafecito, whatever you want. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if you're going to make these.